Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to make a program to print the details of the objects. We are actually doing OOPS concept. First, we are doing creation of class and object. So, in this video, we are going to print the details of object using function. Okay, so in previous video, we have already done uh, creation of class and object and printing details of the object, but in that we were doing manual printing. Okay, details we were printing manually. Okay, but in this method we are going to print the details of object using method. In one in one line we are going to print the each details of the what object. Okay, so uh, this is my kindly request to you all. You guys open your Visual Studio Code and you write the code parallelly so that you will learn this concept in one go here only. You don't need to have to spend more time on different lectures, so you can just mm, writing parallelly or doing parallelly coding with me, you can get this concept in one go one. Okay, so I'm going to write here uh, object class and object using method. Okay, dot java class and object. Okay, and here guys I'm writing main method. Okay guys, after writing code I will write each line for comment. I will write comment for each line so that your concept will clear and you will know meaning of each line, why we are using the particular um, line of code. Okay, so you don't have to worry, you just have to listen me and you just have to write the code. Okay, here I need to write class. I am writing here public static class student, and here I'm writing the attribute of the students class. I am writing on the students attribute like name. In the name I am going to store in the string data types, so I need to write here string name, and name, after name I'm going to store the roll number of the students, so I'm storing roll number in the int variable and the percentage of the students. So I need to store percentage in the double, so I need to write here double percent. Okay, done. Guys, I am making two class. One is a students class and another is car class. In car class I will store car type. I will store the mileage of the car. I will store the price of the car, and what we can store next, like how many seats are there in the particular car. So I need to make a another class public static class car. Okay, here I'm static. Okay, here I'm going to store string name type. Also I'm going to store type. Okay, and then int seat, how many seats are there, like seven seater, nine seater, or eight seater. Okay, so int int variable I am storing the seat size. Okay, and the price I am storing in the double. Okay, double price. Okay guys, now I'm going to write the method. Okay, so I need to write here public static void, and then method name I'm writing for students for for students class, I am going to make method student student what we can make, print student, print student, print sd. Okay, no, print student will be good. Okay, and in in this method I am passing the object of the student class. So I need to write here student is, and then I'm going to write the println statement to print the details of the student. So I need to write here what I need to print, name, and then after name I will need to print roll number. Okay, and then I need to print percentage. So I need to write here percent, and then here I need to write percent is dot percent, and after here I need to write is dot roll number, and here I need to write is dot name. Okay, done. So guys, this method, the method name is print student, is going to print the name of the students, a roll number of the students, and how many percentage are getting the students. Okay, so this is going to print by the what, print student. Okay, this is the method name. Okay, this one is the method name of the method of name of the students. Okay, so now I'm going to write the method for the what, I'm going to write the method for the car class. Okay, so here I need to write car, and here I need to pass details of car. So I'm writing here car, and here I'm going to write object as c, and here I need to print name. Here I need to write c dot name. C dot name is car name, and here I need to write what, here I need to write type. So I need to write here type. Okay, then here I need to print control C, control V, and here I need to write C dot type. Okay, and after type, printing type, I need to print seats, how many seats are there in the particular car. So I need to write here seater, and here I need to print C dot seater, and then I need to write another name, another attribute, like here I need to print price, c dot price. Okay, done. Guys, now I have written the code to print the, I have write the method name print car to print the car detail. Okay, and student, print student will print the details of the student class object. Means object, what I need to say, it will print the details of the students. Okay, and now here I am going to make the what, object of the students class. So I need to write here a student s1 is equals to new student. Okay, and parenthesis, and then a semicolon, and to enter the details of the s1 means I need to write here s1 dot name, Okay, I'm writing here, I'm writing here the name. Okay, like I'm entering Surbi. Okay, so this is the name of the students. I Okay, and I'm writing the roll number of the object S1. Okay, means I'm writing the roll number of the uh, Surbi. So I need to write here roll number is equals to like I'm giving any random number like 42. Okay, and then I'm entering the what uh, I'm I have already given name, roll number, and need to write percentage. So I need to write here percent. Okay, so I need to write here 890. Okay, this is the I am writing. Okay, this is the marks. Okay, or percentage. Okay, so I have stored it in the double. Okay, and I am entering again and I'm here writing the details of of the of the should be no the details of the object, not student S1. Student, the details of a student S1 is okay. And if I want to print the detail, so I need to just call what I need to just call print a student. Okay, so I need to write here uh, print student. Okay, and I need to pass here S1. Okay, done. In just after just we have to call the method and we will get the details of the S1 student. So I you can see here. Okay, it is coming. Okay, it is coming here. You can see the details of the student S1 is name Surbi, roll number 42, percentage how many percentage it is 90.4. Okay, so if you want to print the details of other students, so you just have to copy it and here you can paste it, and you just have to change these students. Okay, at here you have to write 2, and if you want to print the student 2 name as like I'm writing Khushi. Okay, and here I'm changing it by 50 or 45. Okay, and it is like okay 96 I'm writing here, and here you have to pass the S2 object. Okay, and you will get the what you will get the details of both students. Here you can see details of student S1 is this, and details of student S2 is this one. Here I need to write S1 S2 I have already written. Here I need to change it to okay. Now you can see. Okay, here details of students 2 is what name Khushi, roll number 0. What roll number 0 you have written? No, roll number I have written here. Okay, okay, I have not changed it. Okay, that's why here I need to write. Okay, now guys, it is clear. A student roll number uh, I need to put here the second student's roll number. So I need to write here S2 S2. Okay, I need to assign the all attribute by S2. So then we will get the correct result. Okay, and now I'm run it again. You can see name Khushi, roll number 45, percentage 96.4. Okay, now I'm going to write the object for the what car class. So I need to write here same thing you have to repeat. You have to write here car as data type. What data type? Like we were doing now. If we want to store the details of the anything, then we are assigning the particular data types. Okay, so that's like in the class and object, it is it is follow the same concept. Okay, like in the other uh, previous video we were assigning the any data as in the particular data type. Okay, like we if you want to store the name, then we were using a string. Then we are in this video we are using details of what details of a students, like students is the class, and class, in class there are many members. Okay, the people who is reading or who is sitting in the class, they these are they are the object. Okay, and whole room is going to be the class of the students. Okay, so you can just understand by this reference. Okay, and here the car means you can imagine all car. Okay, and I will say particular car like Fortuner. Then it is in your memory, the Fortuner uh, price you can imagine. You can imagine the seater, you can imagine white or black. Okay, so these are the particular name is the object, and the which will define all what entity entity is the object. Okay, and it will blueprint is the what blueprint is the class. Okay, so you can understand by these things. Okay, and here I need to write car c1. I'm assigning car is the uh, data type. Like, okay, car is like data type, and our car in this oops concept you can understand car is the class, and c1 is the what uh, variable name, and here is c1 is the what object name. Okay, car c1 is equals to new car and parenthesis and then semicolon over. Okay, and now I'm going to store the details of the I'm going to assign the details of the c1 car. Okay, so I'm writing here c1 dot name is equals to, like I'm entering Fortuner. Okay, and here c1 dot type is it is SUV. So I'm writing here in the string. Okay, SUV is UV. Okay, and next attribute, what is it? Next attribute is seater and price. Okay, so I'm writing here next attribute seater. How much seater are there? I am writing here randomly 7 I'm mentioning. Okay, and then c1 dot price. Okay, price is equals to 60 lakh. I'm writing here 60 lakhs. Oh, lakh, 10 lakh. I need to remove 10. Okay, done. So guys, you can see I have assigned the details of the car one. Okay, means c1. Now I'm going to paste it to print the another car detail. Okay, I have assigned here car 2. Okay, means I have make here the object of the car 2. Means I have making the second car. Okay, and here I need to write I'm writing Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio. Okay, here it is SUV, and seater I am mentioning here 9 seater. Okay, and here you can writing 3 or 25 24. Okay, 24 lakhs. Okay, 24 lakhs. Okay, and if you want to print the details of the car one, then you need to just write here details of car one is Okay, and then you have to call the car print car method. Okay, to print the details. So I need to write here what I need to call this. What you need to call this method. Okay, Control C and then Control V here. I need to call Control V, and here you can just write C1. Okay, and done. And if you want to print the same things for uh, car 2, then you just have to do copy paste. Okay, and done. I think. Okay, done. Details of car 2. Okay, is and if you want to print the details of car 2, then you have to pass the what car 2 details also. You have to pass the object of the car 2 in the print car method. Okay, so now guys, I have written the uh, code to print two class and two object for both the class. Okay, here you can see and details of students S1. Okay, name Survi, roll number 42, percentage 94, 90.4. Details of student 2, this name is Kushi, roll number 45 and percentage 96.4. And details of car 1, Fortuner, type SUV and seater 7, price 60 lakhs. And details of car 2, you can see name null. Okay, 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 I have not uh, update here. Okay, so I am updating now. Here you can see 2. Okay, here also it will be 2. Here it will also be 2. Okay guys, now it will print the correct result. Okay, you can see. Come, here you can see name. Here you can see details of car 2, name Scorpio, uh, type SUV, seater 9, price 24 lakhs. Okay guys, it is printing correctly. And now I am going to write what comment for each lines. Here what it is, it this is the file name. Okay, file name to store the code. Okay, this is the student class, creation of student class, and this is the assigning, and these are the what, these are the attribute, these are the attribute for the student class. Okay, in attribute we are assigning, we are we are assigning name, roll number, and percent. Okay, and this is the another class, this is the another class, name is car. Okay, and these are the what, attribute of car class. Okay, attribute of car class, it is coming guys, process attribute of car class. And these are the method to print details of student data. Okay, and these are the method for print the car data, okay, and these are the, and this is the what, main method. After this code is going to what, execute. Okay, and this is the creation of a student s1 or object 1 or object 1 for student class. Creation of student s1 or object 1 for class student class. Okay, and it's coming, guys. Wait, it's come, and you can understand like this all. Okay, these are the uh, creation of student object 2. Okay, and these are the attributes or data for the student 2. Okay, what this one, I mean. Okay, how much time it will take, guys? Wait. It's coming, guys. Wait. It is coming. Wait. Guys, it is working right now. Okay, what is this? Oh, open it again. See, guys. So this is the what? This is the creation of object s1 for the student class, and these are the what attributes, or no, not attribute, data for the student s1. Okay, and here we are printing the details of the students s1. Okay, and here it is the creation of student 2. Okay, and here we are assigning the data of the student 2, and here we are printing the details of the student s2, means student 2. Okay, and here are the creation of object for the car class. Okay, and here are the uh, we are providing the data for the car 1. Okay, and here we are printing the details of the car 1. Okay, and here we are uh, again creating the same things for car 2. Okay, and here we will be printing the car 2 details. Okay, so that's all for this video. Okay, uh, I hope you will get the all things. Okay, and in another video we will uh, see how constructor will work. Okay, and how constructor are working. Okay, and this is the new topic we are going to cover in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep doing try run and keep doing coding parallelly. Okay, and this is the way you will get the all things in one go. Your time will be going to save, and you are not going to visit random sites. Okay, so that's all. Thank you everyone. Bye. And you can do comments if you want any improvement. Okay, guys, I'm not writing the comment for all because processing is not working properly. Okay, so you can understand, I have already explained it. If you want to, then you can write or mention in your code. Okay, I have already explained the line by line code. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye.